Here we go. On the right side, we have our logo, our avatar. Click on this avatar. By the way, if you have multiple accounts, you will need to do this for each account. This account, let's say, is my account, and here is an arrow we can switch accounts. If you only have one, you will not have this arrow. Next, we are interested in the section called Settings. At the very bottom, you will have a line called About the Application. Click on this arrow on the right side. An additional menu opens. And here is the first thing. Update your Google Play if you are still running an old version. That is, simply click Update Google Play. Wahoo! And here, let's say it says that the latest version of the Google Play app is installed Adolfo B. If something happens, you can update to the latest version. Click Close. Further above, a little higher, the Google Play version itself is listed. We are not really interested in the version variation. We need to click on this line several times to activate developer mode. Click 5-7 times. It says no need, you're already a developer. The first time it'll tell you congratulations, you're no developer. Next, find a setting called General, where we have account settings and notifier and notifications. Click the arrow again, and a bunch of additional menus open because we've also activated additional features in the Play Store. And these are where some settings are hidden ones that developers are constantly adding, of course, for their own benefit, but not ours. The first setting, look for Google Play Instant. Use the Games Without Installation app. There, double check this slider and disable it. Disable this feature. I'll explain why. Because all these apps are instant ready. Sorry, that's what happens if you come across a malicious app. These are web apps that mostly run in browsers as or so you're looking for information in the browser, then a lot of stuff pops up like ads and banners. So something accidentally popped up, you clicked it, it launched, and immediately downloaded to your phone. To prevent this from happening, we'll disable this slider here. Then go back. There's another option called Google Play Reviews. So we go there and uncheck the box for participate in Google Play questions. But basically, these are what they send you. Ooh, why do we need this? We go back and find this option for developers, internal app access and data integrity. We go here. This feature is enabled here. You'll be able to download and install available test versions of apps Ashram. It all sounds great, yes, that we'll be using some new apps, but then again, these apps are being röstat on us, You notice I turned this slider off and now I'm turning it on. And here it says you can download and install versions of apps that you're granted access to. Such apps may not comply with Google Play's terms and conditions. That is, Google Play doesn't double check them. This means they might contain viruses or they might malfunction. So if something goes wrong, your data disappears and so on. No one will take any responsibility. So why bother? So we'll remove the slider. It's not needed.